In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up discounts in the invoice for QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through the process from start to finish so you can confidently add discounts for your customers, whether it's a percentage off or a specific dollar amount. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how it affects your final invoice total. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and head to your main dashboard. From here, look for the New button, usually labeled with a plus sign at the top of the screen. Click that, and from the options that appear, choose Invoice. This will open a brand new invoice form. Next, start filling out the basic invoice details. At the top, select the customer you're invoicing from the Customer dropdown. Once you pick a customer, QuickBooks may autofill some details like billing address, email, and terms, depending on what you've saved for that customer. Make sure the invoice date, due date, and any other key fields, like the invoice number, are correct before you move on. Now scroll down to the Product and Service section. Add the products or services you're charging for by selecting them from the Product or Service dropdown. Enter the quantity, rate, and any description that will help your customer understand the charges. As you add items, QuickBooks will automatically calculate the subtotal. Once your items are in place, it's time to apply the discount. Look for the discount field on the invoice. Depending on your settings and the version of QuickBooks you're using, this may appear as a discount percentage option or a discount value link or button. If you don't see it right away, check near the subtotal or total section at the bottom of the invoice. When you've found the discount field, decide how you want to apply it. If you want to use a percentage, simply type in the percentage you're offering, such as 10%. QuickBooks will calculate the dollar value and subtract it from the total. If you prefer a specific discount amount, choose the value option and enter the exact dollar amount you want to discount. You can apply a discount to the entire invoice total, or, if your setup allows, you can apply discounts to individual line items instead. Line item discounts are helpful if you only want to discount certain products or services rather than everything on the invoice. When everything looks good, review the totals one more time. If you're ready to send the invoice to your customer, select Save and Send. This will let you email the invoice directly. If you just want to save your work and come back later, choose Save and Close. And that's all it takes to set up discounts on invoices in QuickBooks Online.